What is up, guys? It is Tyler. Happy Friday. Today we took a little hit on one of our trades. We'll go over that in a minute. And then we also added $250 to our account. So now our account balance should be around 970 bucks or something come Monday once that deposit's in there. Year to date, we are up 50 bucks, and then today down 40 because we took a hit on our trade. So we'll get over that right now. So we sold these Intel credit spreads. So we sold the Intel puts, $29 put, and then bought a $28 put. So I bet that Intel wouldn't drop below $29. Intel is currently at $28. So I'm hoping come Monday that Intel bounces a little bit and I can get out of this trade for some money or just make the loss not hurt as bad. That is the biggest L we have taken so far. $72, almost a max loss on that. We do have these 27s right here that if I wait till expiration, I could probably make back most of the losses. So we'll see how that goes. Meta, we do have a bunch of positions in Meta. Meta's trading at $151. They have earnings in 4 days. So as long as Meta doesn't drop $21 come earnings, these expire next week, so we should be pretty good. A $21 drop in Meta is pretty big right now. I believe that's like a 15% drop, 10 to 15, because a 10% drops $15 and it has to drop $20. So it's probably like a 12% buffer we have on the stock, which is pretty big. So yeah, we're pretty safe there, and then the rest of them are pretty safe. $20 away. This one's $30 away. So we'll probably let these expire worthless. And then Ulta, we took a short on Ulta. Ulta is trading at $505, so it is at its all-time highs. Ulta hasn't really seen any correction. They have earnings in 40 days, so we're pretty safe on this since this days till expiration is 21 days. So we just need Ulta to drop a couple percent. I think it's like 2% drop on Ulta in 21 days, and we make the max profit, which I believe was like $270. So if we can get that trade, going, that'll be a great one. Let's take a look at the chart for that. Let's go charts, Ulta. So yeah, as you can see, Ulta's just been monster trading up, and then it normally has a correction. So I can see it correcting down here, maybe retesting like $480, because every time it rises up it always has a nice correction and it looks like it's overbought pretty hard right now. So I'm betting that it's going to drop below 500 next week, but I do have 21 days on this trade, so even if it goes up to like 520 it can come back down. It's a pretty big mover when it moves down. As you can see from December, it just tanked pretty hard. Seems like every other month this stock is tanking pretty hard, but this stock has been monstrous at the start of the year. So since the first, it's gone up over $60. And then our another trade, so AMD, I put this trade on based off of what Intel did. Intel pretty much crapped the bed, so I'm saying that AMD might crap the bed in the short term. Not saying the stock can't go up long term. These are all 20 days out trades. I should really start doing these trades like 40 days out, but this is kind of what I'm doing right now. You can see how I'm working with small capital and building it. AMD, we took a short on, so we bought the $78 call and sold a $77 call, creating that spread. So if we go to AMD, check the charts, AMD's pretty much been trending down. $80 is probably resistance right here. It's getting close to it, but I can see it trading sideways or going back down a little bit. The sector's been hit pretty hard lately. So I think with Microsoft reporting week, Intel reporting week, I think it's safe, and IBM too. I think it's a safe bet on AMD that they're going to report pretty weak. Let's see the trade. So if we go here, vertical go. So I pretty much sold. This is pretty much my trade right here. So my max profit $43, my max loss $57, and the percent of profit is 60%. So 60% chance you can profit. these numbers aren't 100% accurate as they'll always fluctuate. This is just based off the current price in the IV. So that'll fluctuate come closer to earnings date, which will be Monday. It'll fluctuate. So yeah, that's my positions. But yeah, guys, this Intel trade, we're gonna work our way out of it. I'm not too worried about taking a loss. I knew I should have closed this. This is all discipline, and this is what it comes down to: making sure you have the proper risk and proper size. Once we do get our portfolio up there, our max trade is probably going to be around 5 to 10% of our portfolio, like for any one given stock. So we're not going to allocate more than 10% ever to one like our portfolio. And when we're really bullish on like our picking and stuff, we're going to allocate probably like 40% of our capital completely to all of our trades. And that's 40% on trades, 60% cash to roll, exercise, hedge, and do all that stuff. Because once you start growing, you can put on some serious, trades and not risk a lot of your portfolio and make a really good return. And that's our end game goal. But hey, guys, let me know if you have any questions with any of my trades. If you have any trades that you did really good on, let me know. Or any trades that you're, under and buried like me. But hey, I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Thank you for watching, and peace out.